Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect KuCoin to TradingView. This is super useful because it allows you to monitor KuCoin prices, execute trades, and set alerts directly from TradingView. Make sure that your TradingView plan supports broker connections and actually has KuCoin. So yeah, the first thing that you will have to do is log into your KuCoin account, and then once you've logged in, you should see your API management under your profile settings. So just make sure to actually explore that that you will be able to see it. And then you will just have to generate API key by clicking create API key and labeling it and enabling trading and reading as needed. And then after that, you will just have to copy your API key and secret key. And then you will just have to open your trading view, and once you already have your chart here, you will just have to go to your trading panel, and then from here what you will have to do is you will look for KuCoin. So just go ahead and look for that. So you do have to make sure first that this broker has already joined TradingView so that you will be able to connect it properly. So once you see it, you will just have to click it, and then you will connect your API key by pasting the API key and secret key, and then you will just have to click connect, and then TradingView will confirm live connection. And now once it's connected, you can use TradingView with KuCoin by monitoring the charts, placing the paper or live trades, and receiving real-time price updates. And yeah, that's how you can connect your KuCoin to TradingView for efficient trading and monitoring. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.